After finished editing your project, go up to the file, scroll down to export and then click media. If you prefer keyboard shortcut to get this export menu, hold down Ctrl key and press M key. After, you can open this export menu. Set the format is H.264. This will save your file as an MP4 video. Most commonly used type for preset, you can select Match Source High Bitrate. Click on the blue name to rename the file and set output location. You can rename the file and select save location. If you want to improve the video quality, under the video tab, go down under basic settings and check off the render at maximum depth and check off use maximum render quality. Once you are done, simply go down and click export button. Guys, I hope this video helpful to you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel.